it doesn't apply directly to what we're doing, or even indirectly, I'm not really interested. We're going to cover a lot of material over the next few days, and that's why you have your workbook.